Alright, so this is the maiden voyage of the Kestrel Tree Saddle that I got. You'll have to bear with me, first time trying it out. I just put two of my wild edge steps on this tree. So basically I've got it around, I've tightened up the legs a little bit. And right here is the bridge, and I've seen the guys tuck that in to get it out of the way when walking in. So I got that in there. And then right here is my lineman's belt. I'm going to turn that, open it up, take it off here. It's kind of daisy chained right now. So open it back up again, take it off. And pull out the rope and put it around the tree. Alright. I'm going to hook this in back into my lineman's belt over here, which is the red interior one. So far so good. This tree's got some nasty bark on it. So basically when I'm crawling up and then I'm up in my tree, lineman's belt on, and then I will take off my tree strap. This is also daisy chained. And I'll put that around the tree. And what I've seen guys doing, they have put this about head height, usually right about here. So that's what I am going to do. I've just got my back band up here. I didn't have it hooked on right now. I'll just tuck it through there right now. Put that through. I'm hooked on with my lineman's belt still. Put the tree strap around. Tighten it up. And I've heard them say if you don't want this to slip around in here, you could go around it twice. Got this right here, and then I'll bring my bridge up from in the middle. And hook it in. And then you can let your lineman's belt out really easily. And let yourself go into the saddle. There we go. I'm going to hook up this back belt so it gets out of our way. So we got the little hooks right here. This would normally just be hooked on or strapped to the side. And I'm going to have to play with this and get it just right for myself. Alright, so I'll just leave that laying down. So now we are set. So now what I can do is take off the lineman's belt completely. I'm not going to bore you with daisy chaining it up or anything like that. So right now I'm set. So right now I'm feeling really low. So I can basically just come up. Move that up a little bit more. Now I'm feeling pretty good. I've only got 2 steps on here, but if you want to go around to shoot, feeling pretty good. Now let's try out the back band, see how that is. So back band, got a couple prusik knots here, just pull that up where it feels comfortable for you. You just sit back and relax. Pretty sweet. Have my wife videotaping for me because she's worried about me falling out of the tree. The thing's not secure enough, but it's pretty cool. So when you want to relax like this, I think Santa may be bringing me some knee pads. Pretty sweet. Ready to shoot, stand up. Deer on this side of the tree, coming around. Pretty nice, feels good. Deer comes in, let these down. Ready to go. It'll take some practice to get proficient at setting it up, but I really like it. It's comfortable, and I haven't even really played with adjustments yet. Feels really good. Fall asleep up here. Pretty cool. Well, thanks for watching my first maiden voyage. Maybe I'll do another one when I get a little bit more proficient, climbing the tree all the way up and setting it up. See if I can get like Boudreaux, do it in 6 minutes and 30 seconds, have an arrow in the bow and ready to go. But thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Adios.